We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we're looking at a 2014 BMW GS1200. This bike is loaded. It has everything. We have the big hard cases, the big top case. We have engine guards with the ricochet plates. It has the lower plate as well to prevent from rocks hitting your engine. Has Brembo brakes, ABS. Here's the other side of the ricochet plate. Also has the GPS and miles are low. So the odometer reads 11,765. Starts right up as well. Again, we are at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we do test rides 6 days a week. Come take her for a ride.